Useful tips and tricks to quit snoring. Snoring can be a troublesome condition, but you're not alone if you or a loved one does it. Snoring, aside from being loud, can be indicative of other things going on with your body. Try using the following tips to find out what causes your snoring and how you can treat or stop it. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. To help you or your loved one stop snoring during sleep, try using nasal strips. Nasal strips can help you open your nasal passages, which will help you breathe easier in your sleep. As a result, many people stop snoring when they use these strips. Drink lots of water to help stop snoring. Snoring can be caused by your nasal passages producing thicker mucus. This is caused by being dehydrated. To cut back on snoring, you should drink as much water and caffeine-free drinks as possible every day, at least 10 full glasses. Try to keep your head elevated when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which lessens the chance that you will snore. Just prop some pillows behind your head or use a thick pillow. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk, or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. Consider using a chin strap to keep your snoring under control. Chin straps keep your mouth closed so it is difficult to snore. These devices are available in a wide variety of styles. Many are elastic and simply fit over your head. Others are fitted with Velcro so they can be custom adjusted to fit your head. As stated above, snoring can be a troublesome condition that many deal with, but it could be more than just a noise you make when you sleep. To treat it, you must find out the cause. Using the tips above can help you do just that so that you can begin treating it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.